Jacob & Co. Astronomia 4-axis tourbillon. Main features are Jacob & Co. Astronomia 4-axis tourbillon. Historically debuting as the Astronomia Revolution fourth dimension, represents an engineering marvel in haute horlogerie, defining the ultimate boundary of mechanical watchmaking. It is the world's first ever timepiece to feature a 4-axis flying tourbillon, delivering a high-speed, multidimensional mechanical ballet. The 4-axis horological movement first axis, the carousel, the entire vertical, two-arm internal carriage platform spins on a central vertical axis, completing a full rotation every 60 seconds. Second axis, tourbillon flying base. The flying tourbillon carriage completes its own cycle every 60 seconds. Third axis, intra-carriage. A secondary gear train forces a rotation every 18 seconds. Fourth axis, escapement rotation. The final axis whips the balance wheel and escapement around every 15 seconds. Case diameter, 47 mm case thickness, 27 mm case material, 18K rose gold with a single block sapphire crystal case band crystal, domed sapphire crystal utilizing dual anti-reflective treatment. Time display, open-worked, skeletonized subdial crafted from translucent red polycarbonate hands. 18K rose gold Dauphine style hands orientation feature. Patented differential gear train keeping the time dial permanently upright during movement rotations dial baseplate. Structured landscape comprising 18 mirror polished 5N rose gold honeycomb mirrors. Select boutique variants feature a natural labradorite stone base. Production and cost. This hyper-exclusive timepiece is strictly limited to 18 pieces worldwide and commands a retail price of $700,000 to $770,000 US.